How you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this Triumph Street Triple 765 RS 2018 on an 18 plate, 5,148 miles, and it's lovely. You get obviously the LED daytime running lights there. So in the RS you do get the full colour TFT display. You also get a quickshifter, you get Brembo M50 monoblock brakes, and you also get a Ohlins rear shock. This one's been factory fitted with the heated grips from Triumph as well, and as you can see there, it has got a seat cowl. So this is the full colour TFT display. So like I said, you do get the factory fitted heated grips. I'm just going to go into menu and show you. We'll go back. Look at the display there. You can change all that, which I think is fantastic. You've got different riding modes as well. So you've got your display set up, your theme, and you can change it. And look, all changes. I think you've got about 6 different settings on that. So you get traction control, ABS, quick shifter, power modes. This one's obviously got the Brembo M50 monoblock brakes, and you also get the Brembo front master cylinder as well. Looking at things, it's got aftermarket Triumph indicators as well. It has got the Arrow exhaust, the tail tidy, the seat cowl like I've said before. 3 cylinders. Let's give it a quick fire up. These seem to be really popular at the moment, so if you are wanting this one, do be quick, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes and get this Triumph Street Triple 765 RS bought. Thank you very much, speak to you soon.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.